Lubbock High School hosted a ceremony to recognize Jackson Cood and his appointment to the U.S. Naval Academy. Joined by family, friends, district leaders, and more, Cood shared why he wants to serve our country and how Lubbock ISD helped him succeed.
I'm only a product of my surroundings. It takes a village, and I've been blessed to be at Lubbock High and LISD my entire 12 years. It's really just every step of the way I've been surrounded by incredible teachers who really cared about their students, and that's hopefully shown through me that they're very successful and very good at what they do, and they do very much care about us.
Students across Lubbock ISD took part in the Kids Heart Challenge, raising funds to support the American Heart Association. At Ramirez Elementary, the Rams celebrated exceeding their fundraising goal with a fun party during PE. Students jumped rope, hula hooped, and took part in different challenges under some fun lighting. McWhorter Elementary hosted a science fair. Fifth grade dual language students showed off their experiments that they've been working on for their bilingual research centers.
Our experiment was about what earth grows plants better. The one that worked the best was soil, and that is because it's the most absorbent one out of clay and sand.
At Bean Elementary, the Broncos had fun on the final day before spring break. They created with make-do tools using cardboard. Students also colored masks to celebrate their hard work during the third 9 weeks and preparing for their upcoming Star Pep Rally. Thank you to University Medical Center for continuing to support Brown Elementary. UMC delivered 140 spring break snack bags to the Buffaloes to ensure that students are well prepared for their time away from school. The Law and Public Safety Expo brought students at the Byron Advanced Technology Center together with professionals. More than a dozen different agencies met with the students to highlight what they do and the opportunities available for students in various fields.
Yes, sir. It really showed me all the different types of law enforcement. Even if I didn't want to do SWAT, there's definitely a lot out there for me.
Now you're in the loop with Lubbock ISD.